In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this viral transition you see all over TikTok right now. The first step of this transition is to have at least 2 clips next to each other. Also, you need to mask out the car from the last 2 clips, not the first one. If you need guidance on how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description. Open the first clip in the Fusion page. Hit Shift+Space and search for Time Stretcher. Go to about halfway through the clip and change source time to the largest value you can. Go to the end and reset source time back to 0. Open the spline window. Highlight all of the points and press S to smooth them out. Now you can drag the points to slow it down if you need. Drag the masked clip to the point where the speed ramp starts reversing. Drag the background under that. Right-click on the clip and choose Change Clip Speed. Change it to 70%, and after that, drag the video like this. Do the same for the background. Open the clip in Fusion and speed ramp it like I do. I'll go over this quickly so this video isn't too long. Make the graph similar to mine. Copy the node with Command-C and paste it to the background with Command-V. Drag the last clip to the point where the speed ramp starts reversing for the last time. Right-click it and slow it down to 70%. Do the same for the background. Open the clip in Fusion and speed ramp it like I do. Make the graph similar to mine. Copy and paste it to the background clip. All right. Now position the clips like I do and trim the background layers so they start when the previous clip ends. Compound clip the masked layers. Go to the point where the background layer starts and open the masked layer 1 in Fusion. Add Transform. Make a keyframe for center. Go to the first frame and adjust the value so the car isn't visible. This clip was a bad example for this, since the frame cuts half of the car out. Make the curve similar to mine. Repeat the process for the other one. Drag the background layer a bit more forward and make a fade to it like this. The last step is to apply motion blur to the animations. Open the masked layer in the Fusion, click on Settings and apply motion blur. Repeat this for the other one. That's basically it.